Good evening, and my name is Jake White, and today we're going to be going over a really cool tool that NIU has to offer, and this will help you to find journal articles. And this is mostly, for my major personally. I'm a psychology major, or if you want to use this for sociology or anything science related, but finding research articles can be hard, and NIU offers a really cool site that allows you to find articles. So I'm going to be going over how to use that site. So we start in My NIU. And we go to the top here where we see libraries, and you're going to go ahead and click that. And then once we get here, we're going to type in, and databases right here, we're going to type in psychology, just because it's easier, because I could type in the original one, but it's just easier to find. So I could type in PSYC INFO, but you're going to find it first time on the second one here for PSYC INFO. So you click here on PSYC INFO. And this will load up. Cool. So this looks a little complicated, but I'm going to walk you through it. So when we go into enter keywords or phrase here, if let's say your paper is going to be on, you study, let's go with anxiety. Okay, so I'm going to type in anxiety. So we get a bunch of lists here of things where you want to do anxiety disorders, anxiety itself, or we can go in depth, I could find, climate anxiety, social anxiety is a big one. Let's go with that one. I'm going to go with social anxiety, and we're going to hit continue. And that's going to lock into place. And see, right here we have 91,348 articles that they've already found. And I'm going to hit display results. And when we scroll down here we go. So I've got 10 per page, and like I said before, we got 91,348 articles already. And on this left side, I can even make it even more specific, and I could put a publication type, because a lot of times if you want to be specific here and you want like a really well-known article, I put it like a peer-reviewed journal, and then we'll allow that to sit for a second, and then it'll load up. And you got to be a little patient with this site too. I mean, we are loading 91,348 articles total. So this will load. Okay, we're just gonna hit display results again and hope that that goes through. Okay, so yeah, we're back here. So now we can see that journal, peer-reviewed journal, and all of these are now peer-reviewed. So, you can even mess with this too, and I can put in, the years, or if I want a specific author, or any kind of things that you want to filter in that you're clear and open to. So if I do want to pick an article here, let's say I want to do this one, anxiety and COVID-19 anxiety and positive youth development, which is sounds like a good study. So I'm going to hit find it, and then this is going to pop up for me, and there we go. So I can find this at the library in person, or if I want to find it online, then I've got these two options right here, and I can just open these articles. Just for time-wise, I'm not going to open these up, but it's clear. You just open this up, and it'll bring you right to the article, download the PDF, and you're good to go. And you get yourself an article. And I'll show you one more thing that we can do with this, is that if I want to combine anxiety, and let's say I want to add depression, so I'm going to do depression and search again. If I want to combine these two, so I'm going to go ahead and find depression right here. And search it as a keyword and hit continue. Now let's say I could put in anxiety and depression. Or if I'm already deeper into my searches, I can click these on the left, both of these, and I'm going to hit and. So now I'm going to have 1 and 2. So now when we had, look at that, 390,094 articles for depression and 91,348 articles for anxiety, I can combine the two to find 35,958 articles. Now I'm going to display the results for 1 and 2 combined. So I've got anxiety and depression, and there we go. So now I'm locked in, and anything that's highlighted here is going to show where my searches are. So I've got depression, anxiety, and stress among transgender women in northern Malaysia. Which is, a little complicated study here, but that's the general basis. So I really think that this is a really cool tool, that you can use to find journal articles, even though it's so hard if you just want to search the internet. So I think that this is the best thing the NAU has to offer, and I think it was a little complicated, so I definitely think this tutorial is necessary for anyone going forward in a psychology major, anything science related, to find journal articles. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Outside of class, I'm totally open to helping students. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and have a great day.